Hello everybody! Today is a very special day today. We're gonna beat Crash Twinsanity 100% with an arcade fight stick. It's called the KO Fight Stick. It's a really rare fight stick. And yeah, we're not just beating Twinsanity, we're gonna 100% it with a fight stick. This has never been done before, and I want to be the first person to do it. Because it sounds pretty fun. Man, this is gonna be something. So that means we're also gonna watch every single cutscene.
I'm gonna get ya! Come here.
Sleep, my insipid angel.
Crash! Crash! Where are you, big brother? There's something weird going on in the bay! Come see!
Alrighty, let's do this. Can we center the screen? We can even center the screen with it. Perfect. This is a brand new controller too. It's never been used. Yeah, we can't really turn the camera, unfortunately, because there's not a right analog. Crash Twinsanity, my favorite arcade fighting game. Nice. X is up there. We got a nice clicky ball. Oh boy. The camera turning is awful on the triggers. We also have a turbo button. Like if I hold turbo and do this, we do infinite jumps. And we do turbo for the infinite spin. Pretty neat. So yeah, we do have that turbo button. I don't know how useful it'll be for this game, but we'll probably find a way for it to be useful. Okay. Honestly, it's not too bad. It's pretty comfy. It's like a 10 out of 10 controller right here. Oh my gosh. Camera controls are so bad with the R1 and 2. They are not good. Now I see why people don't turn the camera with that. Perfect. Okay, let's go talk to Aku.
It is I, Aku Aku. My duty is to protect you. You may summon me by breaking open these crates. Call me thrice, and I shall grant you special powers.
Awesome. Whoa, that is not jump. Alrighty, now let's do this. No, other way. Oh my gosh, bruh. Oh yeah. Camera may be a bit of an issue. This camera. Holy. Well, it is the worst part of the game, and it still is. Perfect. Alright. Okay. This controller is honestly pretty fun to use. I kind of like it. Even though it's definitely not the way to play Twinsanity, I love it. This way, camera. Thank you. Oh no, pushing stuff's gonna be terrible. Oh boy. Oh, I can't believe how bad. Oh yeah. Boiler Room Doom's gonna be, well, my doom. Can I do the glitch, the trick? Wow. I did that first try. First try on a freaking fight stick. That's amazing. Wow, we got this. Am I save 100% in this? Definitely.
Come on, follow me, Crash. Stay close and do what I do.
Kinda like it. It just kinda makes... It's like you're basically controlling Twinsanity with arcade controls. I kinda like it. I'm actually kinda good with this. The buttons are even big enough. I love it.
It's easy! Oh, too easy.
And yes, I'm gonna do every gem as intended. I'm not gonna do no tricks to get gems easier. I'm just gonna do it the OG way you're supposed to do it. No fancy glitches. It's just me and Twinsanity. Oh, let's go. I was worried it wasn't gonna do it. Let's do this. Other way. Oh boy. Pushing stuff is definitely... Oh. Yeah. Definitely hard. Beautiful. The camera does work sometimes. At least I can turn it, you know? It's better than nothing. I'll take it. Okay, let's do this. Okay, this shouldn't be hard. This should be easy. Turn. Oh, easy. Okay, that wasn't easy, but still did good. We are off to a good start, I would say. Holy crap. I did not want to launch it that far. That may have been bad. Nah, that's cool. Hit those invisible enemies. Slide under that. Sayonara. Okay, we're doing good. We are cooking right now, fellas.
Are you? It's true. Blondes do have more fun.
Give me this real quick. Thank you. Thanks, bro. Okay. Man, the camera's not that much of a problem, honestly. It's fine. Put some blocks, yay. Even slide and belly flop ain't even that bad, you know? Can I skip it? I almost was close to skipping it. Roll it. Oh, nah, we tight right now, fellas. We tight. We going at it.
I'm okay. The spikes broke my fall.
Got a duck. Nice.
Hey! Yeah, you! I've been doing this for 10 stinking years. Back and forward, and I'm sick of it. But I'm not gonna do it no more.
Do I save him or do I spare him? Let me think. I'll do a coin toss. Heads, I kill him. Tails, he lives. Well, it's heads. Sorry, buddy. Sorry I have to do this. No, I'll do it normally. I won't glitch it. I promise.
Surprised to see me, Crash? Like the fleas in your fur, I keep coming back. 3 years I spent alone in the frozen Antarctic wastes. And I missed you. And so I've organized a little gathering, like a birthday party, except the exact opposite. And look, all of your friends are here. You are so very popular. Let's start handing out the presents.
Alrighty. Cortex with a fight stick. Bring it on. With a fight stick on my side, Cortex, you don't stand a chance against my fighting words. Buddy, you don't stand an ounce of a chance. Sorry to say,
This is from Tiny.
I have too much power.
Ripperoo, you shouldn't have. Pinstripe, how thoughtful. Oh dear, two of the same. Don't
Whoa,
Here's
the ball kind of spins a little. Oh, but we still got him. We got him. One more hit. We get to Mecca. Come on, bro. Get out of here. I'm ready for him.
Meet your brand new, hydraulically operated twin brother.
Thumb does get a little tired after a while, though. Let me try duo fingers for this.
Of course I was, you fool. Initiate missile attack.
Jump over the saw just because it's fun. Oh, nah, we got this. We got this in the bag. Goodbye. Ah, Cortex interfered. Ooh. Nice try, bro. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Oh, brother. Ah. Goodbye. Oh yeah, we did that. Did anyone else see Cortex's gun in the sky? I seen his ray gun in the sky for some reason. What the heck? That was weird. Alright. Oh boy, this is gonna control weird. Oh, this is interesting. Well, at least I don't need to worry about the other buttons. It's just joystick now. Honestly, I'm having a lot of fun. I was waiting to do this. 69. Nice. 69 wattage. I'm going back for that life. We're gonna need them. Because once we get into the higher levels, it's gonna be harder. Come on, brother. Get me over. Where are you, alive? There it is. We got. Okay, we can go now. No! There's our first death. Dang. Well, we, push pause. Oh, well, we got the gem. Now we can go for that life, I guess, to get our life back. There, it's like we never died at all. Ain't that amazing? Ooh. I'm proud of myself for that one. Go on! Wow. Barely caught that. Oh, whoa, whoa. Try that again. Good. Whoa. Oh boy. It's a bit wonky, but it's manageable. Oh boy. Nice. We got some wompage. We're ready to go. Camera. Camera's not gonna. Okay. Camera's just not gonna work. That's fine. Oh! Oh, damn. I didn't go fast enough, unfortunately. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Alright, we got this. Nice. Did that again. Okay, let's take another stab at it. Don't use knives for stabbing. That is really bad, kids. Aww, missed it. This is gonna be difficult. Alright, we're back. Let's check what gems we have. Got boss gallery. No. I don't want to see it again. Beautiful. We got Crash. Those are a bunch of face animations. Due to possible copyright, I'm not gonna do the Spyro trailer. Sorry in advance. I'm not letting the copyright ninjas get me. Damn, you two get a room. Okay, let's go. Camera's gonna be a bit of a butt. If I can get it centered, it'd be pretty easy. Oh, that's so hard. That is difficult. Because I can't center the camera. Oh, I'll get a nice view of that too. I thought I was gonna die. Ooh, this gem may take a while. Come on! I can't even get past that one freaking block. My God. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna have to take a leap of faith on it, honestly. I'm just gonna have to go for gold and just do it. Alright, we got this now. Turn the camera a bit. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Only there's a way I could cheese it, but I did say I'd play fair and get it the legit way, and I'm going to stand by my promise. I keep promises. Please. Okay. We did it! Let's go, gamers. That's a gaming moment right there. Still got 20 lives. We're still good. Whew. That was hard, but satisfying. And this gem is self-explanatory. Yep. Where's pause? Okay, there. Alrighty, let's do this.
Well, well. A power crystal.
Oh, you jerk. Let me get an Aku real quick. Back off, brother. Goodbye.
Yes!
Yes.
The crystal is mine!
The glitch didn't happen. Good. We didn't fall through.
Ah! Keep back, you weak-minded fool! Avert your gaze or you'll go crystal crazy!
Okay, controlling Cortex is pretty easy. Slam. Throw. Oh yeah, guys, we're gonna need 3 buttons now. We upgraded from 2 buttons to 3. Twenty-two lives. Okay. 23 lives.
Throw me over there. Trust me. We're pals, right?
I guess so. Oh, that's not. Let's go, Cortex. Dance a bit. Cortex. That was some good timing right there. Depending on time, I'm pretty sure this might be the final level for today. Whoa. Slow down there, buddy. Awesome. 26 lives. Look at that. Oh, this part's gonna be interesting. Hold on. Okay, that's the last gem. We got them all. We chillin'. Oh no. It didn't work! Game! Oh. Thanks, game. It just didn't work. Man, what kind of garbage is that? I spin the gem, it didn't even work. What do you mean, game? Man, I even play by the game's rules and I still get screwed over. Seriously. What was that? Nah, that was first try. I just spat on myself. I was robbed. I was robbed in broad daylight. Ow. Wow, I'm a freaking gamer. Did you see that amazing display? No, that deserves a subscribe right there. Nice. Time to watch this cutscene.
Ooh, that feels good. I was bursting in there. How are you fools? Before the awesome might of the evil twins.
Aren't you two adorable? Let me see. I might have some chalky treats here for you.
Chalky treats? Oh.
We've some good news and some bad.
The bad news? We're going to destroy your precious islands.
The good, you won't be around to see it.
How tiresome.
Oh, you want to play mind games? Okay, tough guy. Let's play mind games. This is the part where you run away screaming. Go on, run!
Catch you later, Brainiac.
Alrighty, now we're dealing with the evil twins. We'll do one more level. We'll do 4 worlds every day. That sounds pretty good. Yep, everything's in order. Good. We did on second try. 30 smackaroons. Ooh, itchy. That was a bit risky, but it looked cool.
You have to help me, Crash. You heard them. They want to destroy our island home, humiliate and enslave you, and steal my brain. How I envy the simple life of the tribesfolk.
What have I got? What have I got? What have I got?
Living in harmony with Mother Nature. The noble boar, the humble bumblebee.
I killed an invisible boar. That's the boar that they use in the cutscene. You can actually kill him. Pretty funny. Okay, now we're gonna do an escort mission with a fight stick. What the freaking controller was meant to be. Oh, I'm an idiot. I pressed the camera button. Oh my god, I pressed triangle. That's my bad.
You have to help me, Crash. You heard them. They want to destroy our island home, humiliate and enslave you, and steal my brain. How I envy the simple life of the tribesfolk.
Yeah, I know, Cortex.
What have I got? What have I got?
Living in harmony with Mother Nature. The noble boar, the humble bumblebee.
He was a little late. I was an idiot and I should have focused on only 2 buttons. When you have Cortex, 3. With Crash by himself, 2. Now this time, don't be a fool. Remember your buttons. All the gems are easy, at least. They're literally right on the path. Oh yeah, we got this. Finally, I can kill enemies again. It feels so nice. Now here I want to slide. I slid off. That's so unfortunate. Oh. That's fine. Oh, what am I doing? That's so much slower. Oh, what garbage. I beg to differ with that malarkey. Let's go.
Vamos, Ganji.
we at? We're going at 50 minutes. We'll call it a night. Okay, guys, we will call it a night. But before, well, I'll do a little bonus and try to do a glitch where I get out of bounds. Oh, that was not good. Come on, get up there. We did it. We did all that just to fall. Are you kidding me? We did all that to fall. Really? Stupid camera, bro. I love this game, but it has the worst camera I've ever seen in a video game, bro. Straight dookie. There we go. Here we are, guys. We're out of bounds. Well, we died. Alrighty, that's enough today. We did the bonus and got out of bounds. That's good enough for me. Alrighty, guys, that is it for today. That's good. Alrighty, guys. Next time we will continue with this. So, this is Crash Twinsanity with an arcade fight stick, aka arcade style controls. And honestly, it's pretty fun. A few bumpy ends with Clear Gem and Cavern Catastrophe, but other than that, it went pretty smooth. I'd say we did pretty good. This will mark the first time anyone's ever beaten Twinsanity with an arcade fight stick, and that makes me happy. So, if you like this idea, like the video, comment if you have any thoughts, and subscribe if you want to be nice and support the channel in any way, shape, or form. Appreciate all of you watching. I definitely do look forward to this series. And I'll see you guys next time for more amazing arcade fight stick fun. Tomorrow we will return with the greatest fighting game of all time, Crash Twinsanity. May God bless you all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.